Hi everyone, I am Sarvita Morganraj. Today I am going to review a product. The product that I choose is from Nutrilite brand. Nutrilite is the world's leading brand for vitamins, minerals and dietary supplements. The vitamin that I would like to share is BioC Plus. Nutrilite BioC Plus contains 500 mg of vitamin C per tablet and phytonutrients from estrella cherries, oranges, lemons and grapefruits. Originated from Nutrilite's own farms. It contains zero artificial colorants, flavors and preservatives. Each bottle of BioC Plus contains 120 tablets. We can consume 1 tablet per day or as per needed. I will consume 1 tablet per day, so a bottle of BioC Plus can be consumed for almost 4 months. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid. Vitamin C acts as an antioxidant that can protect against damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals, as well as toxic chemicals and pollutants like cigarette smoke. Free radicals can build up and contribute to the development of health conditions such as cancer, heart diseases and arthritis. It also helps your body absorb iron and works to keep your immune system functioning properly. It also repairs and maintenance of cartilage, bones and teeth. Vitamin C also carries out some health benefits. A deficiency in vitamin C is associated with many stress-related diseases. And because vitamin C is one of the nutrients sensitive to stress, maintaining levels of vitamin C can be an ideal marker for overall health. When it comes to the common colds and flu, vitamin C can reduce the risk of developing further complications such as pneumonia and lung infections. Intake of vitamin C helps to reduce wrinkles and it also contributes collagen to the body, making the skin firm, strong and elastic. Now there is a quick demo to show the benefits of consuming BioC vitamin. Now I apply powdered BioC into the half part of the apple. Okay, here I have a glass of water, have betadine. This betadine is a replacement of the pollutant around us, and I have smashed BioC. Okay, first I add this betadine. Okay, now I add powdered BioC. Okay, we can clearly see the water are changing to a poor water. So again I add this. The color remains unchanged. This is my own testimony after consuming BioC Plus. I first came across this product when my mom introduced it to me when I was 8 years old. She advised me to take the product because I was having problem with my skin. After consuming the vitamin for 2 weeks, I started to see the differences on my skin. Now I am totally cured. I will highly recommend anyone who has skin problems like me to try this product. It works well for me and I hope it works well for you too. However, it would be good to consult your doctor before starting to consume it. Presently, I am still using it as it's a good supplement for my skin. Thank you. BioC Plus.